Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Nat and today we're going to do some fast makeup. I already have my skin prepped. I have this White Elephant moisturizer on. I have this Laneige lip mask on, I don't know. But we're going to go in with some lip plumper. I did take the stopper out of this, so I'm just going to that's disgusting. Just kind of pat around with that. And then I am gonna, I don't usually do my eyebrows. The only thing I really do is glue them down. So I'm gonna use my NYX glue. It's the Bear With Me Cannabis and Sativa Brow Glue or Setting Gel. But, excuse me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just brush these out. And I really just gotta try and make them match. My brows are pretty dark. They could be thicker and I could fill them in, but again, we are going for a fast makeup. And there is what I'm using right there. It's a brow setter, not a brow glue. So we are not gonna do any foundation today. I don't always do foundation. So I'm not going to do it today. If you add foundation, that's fine, but it's going to add a little bit of time. We're going to go in with this Mally eyeshadow stick in Timeless Taupe, and I am legitimately going to draw the shape of my eye, and then we're just going to smudge that out. I love taupe, y'all, and because this is cream, and we're going to smudge it out, and it's got a little bit of a color, it's going to keep us from having to use a transition shadow, and that is going to save us some time. So if I were to do this method and the eyeshadow stick was not super creamy and buttery, I would not do this because I don't want to have to pull at my eye because you know that skin is just so sensitive. And so there we have our first eyeshadow. Now we're just going to use some of my Project Pan items. We're actually going to use these three, yeah, those three right there, and we are going to go in with a flat brush, and this is actually an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm going to go into this. This is a Violet Voss, and it's called, I believe this is Teddy Bear, and we're just going to go all over that eyelid right there, and I am just going to push everything kind of up because that is exactly what I did with the eyeshadow stick. And because that eyeshadow stick was, oops, something's going on with my light right there. Yeah, because that eyeshadow stick is creamy. Why is am I going crazy? Is my light changing, y'all? See, I'm going green. Maybe it's something with this, I am tripping. I think I'm tripping, y'all. What did I drink? I haven't drank anything. Alright, so let's see what's happening. Alright, so I put that all over my my lid, and I'm actually going to go and smudge out. I'm going to use this little brush right here, and I'm going to go into this lighter color right next to it. This is also Violet Voss, and I think, what is that one called? I can't remember what that one's called, but these are in my Hollow Out for Halloween Project Pan, and so I'm trying to get as much use out of them as possible. And I'm just going to smudge that out on the lower lash line. And then you see I have that glitter right next to it, so I'm just going to go in with my middle finger because that's my most comfortable finger, and I'm just going to kind of pat that all over my eyelid. And then we will, there we go, there's the look. You could always add eyeliner. I think I will add some probably to my waterline. Here's one right here. This is Julep, and it's their Blackest Black. So let's just add a little bit of, because I want some color. Sometimes pencil liners on my waterline just don't seem to work. It's really weird. Almost like because my eyes are super like watery all the time because of my allergies. Like look, they're going to start watering right now. Now, even though I didn't use foundation, I have a little bit of redness on my cheeks. So I am not going to use any blush. We're going to highlight, do some mascara, add some lipstick, and we will be done. So let's go ahead and highlight. I'm going to use an eyeshadow out of my Buxom palette, and this is Dolly's Wild Side. I'm going to use this one right here. This is in my How I Met Your Mother project pan. And I'm just going to go on the highs of my cheeks, just to kind of give my face a little bit of light. And it's a really, I mean, even though it is an eyeshadow, it definitely works as a highlighter. And it's really nice. And I feel like it just gives you a really natural glow even without blush. And so that's why I'm adding that. I'm going to add whatever is left right down the center of my nose. And then, you know, I always like to just kind of finish up right above my brow. And now we are going to add some mascara. I am working with this Tarte Big Ego mascara. This is my first time really trying it, and I have liked it so far. I mean, it does a really good job, and it's easy to take off, which is always a big deal for me, because again, I don't like look at this wand. I don't like having to tug at my eyes, and I love when mascaras come off really easily, and that's why I don't use a whole lot of waterproof mascara. Oops, got a little bit. Now, I usually, after I do that, I like to go straight into my lower lashes over here, or on the other eye, because I feel like, you know, it's just the perfect amount of product to not get it all over my face. And then we'll go in and do our last eye, and then we will wipe off these lips, add some lipstick, set it, and then be on our merry way. I have a couple appointments today, so let me see. We're gonna just take one of my foundation brushes and just kind of rub all this in, even though it's not very much, because I want it to look like I have a glow, you know, not like I have a whole bunch of highlighter on. So I just want to smudge that out. We're gonna wipe off our lips with the one we were cleaning our eyes with. Throw that away so I don't get it in my eyes. Let's see, what shall we do with this? Alright, so I have a few lip options here. I think I'm gonna go in with let's go in with this one. This is Juju by Bare Minerals, and this is in an NFL project pan, and this is just a really nice pink. And that'll just add a little color and kind of soften up all that brown that I have on. And that's why I didn't choose the other one, because it was really brown. But here we got a little pink, and I think I'm going to go on top with this Glam Light Horchata. This is a lip gloss that Lil Betsy 79 bought me for my birthday. And it is just absolutely gorgeous. And it has a little bit of that brown color just to kind of tie in with the eyes. So I'm just going to pick that up on my finger right in the middle. Just blot that out. And then we're going to set with our Urban Decay. Oh, I like this so much better than the Jeffree Star one. That one's horrible, y'all. I hate it. And so here's everything. You can definitely add, oh, I did something to my face right there. You can definitely add some blush and some eyeliner. There we go. That's better. And I'm going to add some more mascara, but otherwise this is just so quick and easy when you're running out of the door and you still want to look like you have a little bit of life. So I hope that this helps you some kind of way. I know that when I do my quick videos, I usually use a lot of cream shadows. I find those so incredibly helpful. So if you're curious, I'm going to show you a couple of things that I got from a local TJ Maxx. Okay, so I was going to my mom's, and there's a new TJ Maxx on the way over there, and I found something that I had wanted, but it was way too expensive, and I found it at TJ Maxx for $12.99. I was super excited. This is the Too Faced Natural Lust Bronzer, and it's gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty, and I love peacocks, and I love lavender as well. That's really like a cool light lavender. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is gorgeous, and it has so many levels, so much texture. I mean, I love it. $12.99. Super excited. Also, I got a Hopponesque Eye Smudger brush, and I'm really excited about this. I do like the Hopponesque brushes, and I only have one smudger brush, and so I got this one for $3.99. So I was excited about that. Now, just real quickly, I went to Target as well. I have narrowed my Halloween costume to a few, and then we're going to choose from there. But let me know what you have decided to do or be for Halloween. So in saying that, I picked up some black and white makeup kit, you know, because you always need that, and I don't want to use up like all my black eyeliners or anything, and I don't want to use eyeshadow for everything. And so I picked this up for $3. I figured I would check it out. I am considering Halloween possibly like a Joker, like not the Joker, but like a Harley Quinn, but like the Joker style. So I'm thinking about that. I'm also considering the Mad Hatter, or the Checha Cat, or what was the other thing? There's one other thing. But so I also went to Target, and I got this because I figured for any of those I'm really going to need either a lot of white or a lot of black. So, and then I picked up a blush brush. This is from e.l.f. and I'm always looking for a blush brush, y'all. My face is so small and round, and so I thought maybe this would be okay, but I don't know. We'll try it out, but I'm excited. Thank you all so much for joining me. Just know that I am sending positivity to you, and I hope that you are doing what you love. I will talk to you later. Bye, y'all.